Alright guys, let's work a little bit with foot on bicep sequence. Okay, some positions work really good to me, and we're gonna train a few situations who for sure gonna help me with field training. So I'm gonna step on his biceps. When I try making him lose the balance, try bringing him to the other side, he's gonna feel the dangers, he's gonna step up here. Okay? I'm gonna keep my grips really strong. That foot here, my right foot, I'm gonna pull his biceps down. I'm gonna try hook his biceps here with my foot. Then I'm gonna lift my knee and my hips over his knee. And I lock kind of like this, okay? Then I switch his arm and switch my foot. Can lock, grab on my shin, step on his hips, stay tight, escape back and side. Now I lock over his shoulder. Okay, so foot on bicep, I go to the way he step up. I'm gonna pull his biceps down, lift my hips. This here help me to lift my hips. I pull this down and push in here, help to lift my hips. Now is the triangle. I move side and attack here. Grab, escape. So, foot on biceps, okay? I don't extend now, I'm gonna let extend to the last moment till he lose the balance and he don't make a strong base, because if you feel what I'm doing, he's gonna be prepared. So I find him here, I turn to the sides here, put my leg down. I pull his arm, extend and pull him over to me. Now I let it go, grab behind his elbow, stay on my elbow, lift my hips, slide my knee, my hips really close to his shoulder. My knees point up, grab on his thumb. Okay, so foot on biceps, I hip escape, pull his arm, bring him over to me. I grab his elbow under, lift my hips, and bring my shin really close to his shoulder. Then I submit him here.
All right, guys, if you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to follow Legacy Jiu-Jitsu Academy for more videos.